Are you ready to unlock multiple streams of income? Do you want to learn how to make extra money online? If the answer to that is yes, this video is for you. Begin HR currently offers a course called Side Hustle Masterclass, 8 easy ways to make money online. Now, during the course, you'll discover 8 exciting and practical methods to start earning extra money online. You'll learn step by step how to make money from print on demand products, remote freelancing, video reposting, and online courses. You'll also watch a variety of informative and exciting video tutorials, which include detailed examples. Therefore, you'll be equipped with all the knowledge and the confidence that you need to start your own side hustle, paving the way towards financial independence. Now, we all know the cost of living is higher than ever, but salaries are not increasing at the same rate. This means that a 9 to 5 job is no longer enough to sustain a decent standard of living. So, the only solution at this point to that dilemma is the Side Hustle Masterclass, 8 easy ways to make money online course. And this course is perfect for employees, stay at home parents, university students, and even retirees. It is completely remote, part time, and at your own pace. So it can easily fit around all your other commitments that you have to do. And a unique feature of this course is that it includes information about how much money the course instructor has made from their side hustles. And this will include all the screenshots of all the payments that they've ever received. So this goes to show you that you'll be learning from someone who knows exactly what they're talking about. And there's actually plenty of positive reviews and its 5-star rating, which is demonstrating that the course is high quality and it exceeds people's expectations. So what are you waiting for? Don't delay, enroll today.